Hello, it's Matt here. Welcome back to the Bright Click TV. I thought we'd do something different today with this video and run a screencast instead of the usual kind of videos that we do to talk to you a little bit about meta descriptions and how you might utilize them in your business. It's just going to take a couple of minutes. I've done a Google search here, you'll see, for dentist in Teddington. Now, if I scroll down, first of all, you'll see these results here. These are the Google Local, the Google Maps, Google My Business results, where you can see reviews and that type of thing, and you can link through to a website here. But we want to focus on what we call the organic results here. So the first results that Google feels are the most relevant results to show you on page one. Now, this is the page title, the website title. This is the website URL. But what we're focusing on today is this little section here, which is the meta description. So this is a couple of lines of text that you can edit within the back end of your website. And this is the bit that you want to basically entice people onto your website with. This is a couple of lines of text where you can sell your website. Now, a lot of people think that there is SEO value to meta descriptions. There is to some extent. You should really try and contain the keywords in your meta description so that people are confident with what they found. But Google doesn't really take that much notice of meta descriptions. They are more there for the user's benefit, basically. So if you have a little look here at this first one, at Park Road Dental Centre in Teddington, we provide our patients with high quality dentistry using the latest dental technology and techniques. Inquire today. And underneath you've got some links here, some calls to actions. That's great. That's reassuring to the user. That gives them confidence that they found what they were looking for. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, you'll see that some of these are pulling through default meta descriptions, and this is something that we'd urge you to take a look at within your own business just to make sure that this isn't happening with yourself. So, for example, this one here, Teddington Dentist, implant dentist in Middlesex. The very first word here is just capital letters more. Now, that's probably being pulled through from a section on the website where you can click on a word to see more, for example. If we scroll down a little bit more, you'll see here view more has popped up in this meta description here. And then you'll see this thing here, patient testimonials. You'll see that it's not really a coherent couple of sentences there. If we scroll down here, you'll see that this one's just pulled through a random testimonial from the site. If we scroll down again, you'll see that this one has pulled through the address. And also isn't even finishing. So we've got here at the Causeway Dental Practice, our commitment to preventative dentistry will help ensure you a long-term, but then it runs out of room. So what we'd really recommend is that you go have a little look at the meta descriptions that are showing up for your website, see what the user sees when they search for your business online, and see if you can go in and edit those meta descriptions in the back end of your site to make sure that there's a concise message. And what we really like to see is something like this here from the Ivy Clinic Dentist in Teddington, where they've put underneath here, the Ivy Clinic in Teddington provides patients with high quality dentistry using the latest dental technology and techniques. Call us on 0208 977 8700. The reason that we like to see that, and it's often overlooked with meta descriptions, is that from a mobile, you would just be able to click on that and call through straight away. You wouldn't even need to potentially click through to the website. As always, if you need any help, need anything explained in more detail, please feel free to drop us a line, info@thebrightclick.co.uk, or tweet us at thebrightclick, and we'll see you next time.